Hi everyone, I'm Bruce Smith, Senior Vice President of the Parts, Service, and Technical Division. By now you've heard that American Honda ranks as the #2 company in the auto industry according to the 2013 J.D. Power's Initial Quality Survey. Initial quality is something we work hard to achieve, and customers have told us that we're doing a pretty good job at delivering the best quality vehicles in the market. Of course, you deserve credit too for ensuring Honda product is ready and in the best saleable condition when delivered to the customers. Thank you for all of your efforts. Last May, I sent you a video message on IN about how we're using SuperTech to help us receive advance information from our dealers. Data coming from SuperTech is now immediately provided to our service quality department at Honda R&D in Ohio to help us understand what issues exist in the market. Last week, we brought all of the SuperTechs to Ohio to talk to our associates in service, R&D, and the factories. This sharing of information is important as we work to be the best in quality. And now, let's hear what these dealer technicians have to say.
We've seen some product problems that we've been able to bring to light. American Honda has got on top of them real quick. We actually seen a service bulletin come out faster than I've ever seen before on some fuel-related issues. They got it, fixed it, boom.
It's actually helped me to solve problems easier. I've actually been able to make contacts with my fellow SuperTechs to get emails to fix cars quicker.
We gain first-hand knowledge on issues that are occurring out in the field and other areas of the country that we normally wouldn't have access to that information. We share stuff we see, they share stuff they see. So sometimes it gives us a heads up on what's coming down the road, that problems we can expect to see. And a lot of times it pans out. It saves us time, in repairing these vehicles.
Being a SuperTech, certainly because of that, I put a lot of pressure on myself to make sure I fix the customer's car right the first time. So yeah, they definitely do benefit when I work on the cars.
In 2013 Accords, we discovered a fuel system leak. And the leak was coming from the nut that retains the fuel pump assembly. When we took photos of it, we sent it to American Honda Tech Line. Tech Line forwarded to probably someone in R&D. They discovered that there was an error in the way the tank was manufactured, made a change.
There was a hose that was supposed to be spider-proof, because spiders would go in this hose and they would lay eggs and the hose would clog up. And I took a picture of a spider inside of this cage that was supposed to be spider-proof, that was supposed to keep the spider out of the hose. And the email I got, initially I got, oh, thanks for the email, Robert, we'll send the picture off to the engineers. And within, I think, about 45 minutes, I got an email back from my contact down in Torrance with a bunch of emails from the engineers saying we need to get the spider, we need to see what's going on, make sure you just of all the concerned people that were like, oh my God, I can't believe this is really happening. So it was quite a treat to see all that and to see how everybody down in Torrance was really concerned, and they really wanted to address this issue.
I've never knew how much they wanted quality, how much they want input to make the vehicle better than what it is now. They want all the inputs from all the technicians, people, whether it's through the internet. I just never knew how much they're committed to a good product, and they want to make it better.
I came from a GM store. I worked on GM vehicles, and then going to Honda, I got that they cared about their cars right away back in 1986. So it really doesn't surprise me, their level of commitment. That's the reason why I like working for Honda. It's because of that level of commitment.
amazing how much gets involved with starting out with R&D to the design to actual the manufacturing to get that car out. You know, we didn't realize how much it takes. That it's just a big process, and everybody's incorporated.
I've been with Honda since '88, and Honda was back then a real engineering company. And it seems like for a while in the '90s, early 2000s, they went away from that. But in the last few years, I see them making a renewed commitment to quality, to being aggressive in their engineering program, coming out with new stuff. And this program, the SuperTech program, shows that they're committed to fixing stuff early, that they're committed to quality.
In the 2013 model, you know, we see a lot more changes. It's like Honda is like it's back.
Great feedback. And as you can see, we're focused on being the best. I really appreciate the feedback we get from these technicians, as well as from every one of the 5,000 Honda dealer technicians out there. By the way, interested in becoming a SuperTech? Speak to your DPSM to help guide you through the process. Or please feel free to send me a message through the dealer comment area on IN. Again, thank you for helping us achieve outstanding IQS scores this year. By working together as one team, we can be the best in quality. Thank you.